Hello guys. So in this video, we would like to talk about life at IT industry. What people in IT industry will do. What are the working level? What are the working hours? Is coding is necessary? 100% coding is necessary for a fresher to get into IT industry. So uh, we will be discussing many questions. What BTech students or BCom students will what people used to have. So this is an a video which will arises you uh, all the doubts. So first, let me talk about the 7 questions what we are going to talk in this video. First question is about what people do in IT industry. So if you talk about software companies, there are two kinds of companies, software companies. One is about product-based companies. Second one is about the service-based companies. So in product-based companies, people used to develop products. Let us consider an example of Google. Google is a product-based company where Google is developing its own products. Let us take Google is a search engine. Google has already developed a search engine, right? So this Google is also developing many things, right? Like YouTube, like Google Drive, Google Sheets, and it has its own languages like Go language. So all the product-based companies like Google, they only concentrate on their products. They will develop their own products. They will enhance their own products. Whereas in service-based companies, people used to they usually use the services provided by the product-based companies. Example, we all use Windows operating system. It is a product of it is a product by Microsoft, and we all use Google search engine. It is a product of Google. We all use .NET. Yeah, it is a language. It is a framework of Microsoft. We all use many different languages. These are all these are the languages that are developed by the product based companies, or uh, some other teams will do that. So what service based companies will do? Service based companies will take the help of that products that are developed by the product based companies, and they will develop some products with the help of that services. By taking this by taking the help of that by taking the help of that products, they will they will make some new things. So let us take .NET as an example. So this .NET is a product that was developed by Microsoft. So these service-based companies are taking .NET, and what they are doing, they are developing some websites. They are developing some apps. So with this product, they are making use of all the service-based companies are making use of these products, and they are making some new things. They are innovating something with the help of this products. That is what IT industry people will do. Mostly, they will develop something. If we consider product-based companies, they will be working on new products. If you consider service-based companies with with some services, they will develop new things. This is the major difference between product-based companies and service-based companies. This is what the people in IT industry will do. The people in industry will develop websites, will develop apps, will develop some innovate ideas. So will develop some machine learning robots. So based on the requirements, based on the industry requirements, based on that company requirements, they will work on that by using some services. By using some services, they will by using some services they will develop their own products. Okay, na? What are people used to have second question? What are working hours? Uh, Mostly 8 hours is mandatory thing for every IT industry. If you don't complete any work, what you used to do is people used to spend more hours. But every company, a normal company, any company, they used to have 8 hours as their working hours. Okay, now why, third question, why people working in IT industry feel so stressed? So now, for this question, I will answer you in a different manner. See, what now companies are following is to develop a software, or to develop a project. What people in IT industry are doing is they are following they are following a structure called as they are following a method called as agile process. They are following a method called as agile process. In this agile process, what they will do is they will partition the software, or they will partition the product whatever they want to develop into certain screens. So if they want to design a website, so what website mainly consists of? Let us take an example of website, which is very commonly known for us, because in daily life we are using many websites, right? So what IT industries will follow to develop a website is they will they will divide the entire website into small screens. They will develop a website into small screens, and what they will do is they will assign the task to the software developer who is developing that thing. To each and every person, they will assign some task, and they for every 15 days in IT industry, now it is called as sprint. Every 15 days, every 2 weeks, they used to call the two stipulated amount of weeks are called as a sprint. What they will do is, uh, uh, this in this sprint they used to give some screens, in the sense their agenda is to complete the login form. In one screen, they will guide the software engineer to develop one login form. That is one screen. After completing that, they will give one more screen is dashboard screen. So the entire project is divided into screens. In one sprint, what they used to do is, in every sprint we used to complete that screens, whatever that are being assigned by the our head people in the company, like team leads, managers, whatever they assign. What we need to do is we need to do that task. So if you are experienced, what people will do is, if they are having some experience, they used to do within that stipulated amount of time. But if you are a fresher, if you are unable to do that task, if you are getting some errors, if you are getting some bugs, so at that point of time, we need to we need to we need to spend more time on that. If you are spending more time and you are not even getting that the required output, or the things that that screen consists of, if our agenda is to complete that screen, but we are unable to do that, in that situation, people used to people get at that point of time, people start thinking about it, why it is not coming. So usually, if that doubt is not being solved in 1 2 days, the project managers, we used to have people in that IT industry, they used to give a daily report what they did. They used to have a call with their managers, their team leads. Okay, na? So at that point of time, people, they don't answer, because of these many, they are unable to do the task. So their bosses, their managers, what they used to do is, they are